Here we have a nice little handheld automotive meter. It comes with a DC output, AC, alternating current, and ohms, low battery voltage, DC, AC. Beautiful cables. I like the cables a lot. It has a little stand on it. Stick it up. And then the cables, pretty cool. They're not just directly in there, so it's nice and sturdy. It won't bend and break. Take the tips off. It comes with alligator clips. That just squeezes right on there. Nice protective covers. And it comes with a manual. If you need this tool or any other tools, come on over to 1aauto.com and check them out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.